In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your account on Gumroad. Whether you're a creative looking to share your digital products or simply someone curious about this platform, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step, ensuring a smooth and easy experience. First, let's begin by navigating over to Gumroad. Open up your preferred web browser and type in Gumroad's URL. Hit enter, and in just a few moments, you'll find yourself on their homepage. This is where the magic starts. You'll notice that the interface is quite user-friendly, designed to guide users like you through every step seamlessly. Now, on the homepage, one of the first things you'll see is the option to create account. It's usually prominently displayed, making it simple to locate. Go ahead and click on that button. This is an essential step because you'll need an account to start using all the features Gumroad offers. Creating an account opens up a world of possibilities. You can sell your creations, manage your digital products, and so much more. Once you've clicked on Create Account, you'll have a few different options to choose from. You can either go for the traditional route of creating an account with an email and password, or take advantage of a quicker method by signing in through Gmail. If you're already logged into Gmail in your browser, this can save you a bit of time. Just click on the Gmail option, and with a couple of permissions granted, you'll be automatically set up without having to fill in the details manually. For those who prefer the traditional method, simply input your information as prompted. This usually includes an email address and a strong password to keep your account secure. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully created your Gumroad account, opening up endless possibilities. With your new account, you can start exploring Gumroad's features, uploading your digital creations, or browsing through content offered by other creators. Remember, the platform is designed to make selling and buying digital products as easy and accessible as possible. Thank you for joining me for this short tutorial on setting up your Gumroad account. I hope you found it helpful and that you're excited to dive into everything this platform has to offer. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment or reach out for help. I'm here to assist you in any way I can. Happy creating, and see you in the next video.